Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the display control board in a Samsung washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/16" nut driver, a Phillips, and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new display control board. The display control board controls the lights and the display functions, communicating data to the main control board. If one or more cycles can't be properly inputted or several LED lights are not working, the display control board should be checked and replaced if needed. We need to remove the top panel. Using the 5/16" nut driver, take out the two screws from the back of the top panel. Slide the panel back and lift it off the washer. Pull out the dispenser drawer, press down the tab and remove the drawer. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the three screws that hold the dispenser housing. Slide it out of the control panel. Leave the top edge of the control panel to undo the clips. Open the door and tilt the panel towards you to disengage the bottom clips. Disconnect the wire connector plug and take the control panel to the workable place. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the four screws that hold both parts of the display control board. Using the flat blade screwdriver, push the locking tabs and free the control board from the panel. Unplug the wire connector. This is the old display control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, let's bring the new display control board to the control panel. And there's a couple of things that we need to do before the installation. First, we are going to put the harness under the retainer clip here. And then we're going to peel off this protective film. Alright, now it's ready to be installed. Alright, I would like you to pay attention. Remember that we have a knob here, so we need to match the shaft with the knob shape here. So that flat side has to go into the flat area over there. So we need to turn the knob so it will fit the shaft. Just like that. And we can install it. Press it down to lock the tabs. Next, we're going to plug in this control board into the touchpad. And now we can install it also. Next, we're going to install 4 Phillips screws to secure the display control board. And now we're ready to install it onto the washer. Let's bring the control panel to the washer and connect the wire plug. Install the bottom clips into the openings. Lift up the panel and lock the top clips. Install the detergent dispenser housing secured with the 3 Phillips screws. Slide in the drawer. Close the top, slide it forward to lock and secure to the 5/16 screws from the back. Plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.